Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're looking at checklists. Hi, everybody. Thank you so much for joining our next video that we're talking about for AI tools for teachers deploying projects, choice boards, or project-based learning. We're going to be looking at checklists. That's right. We're jumping right into checklists. So we looked at the AI prompts to help us come up with an outline of how to deploy a project. We looked at the different rubrics that we can use. We talked about using a progression board to help monitor and develop that sense of urgency with the students. But now we're going to go into checklists. And the tool that I'm using for our checklist today is I'm actually going into Canva. And the AI piece of it is because Canva has that magic, right, that's going to help us to design that checklist for our students. This checklist template is available for free. Just go in, type in a Canva project checklist, and you should be able to have this template available for you. So what I did was I just did for like the different projects was day one. You're going to be meeting with a teacher. You're going to be doing some independent practice, digital content, and then team collaboration time. Then I have a 5 minutes at the end where I need them to make sure they complete the progression board. All right, so I have the time limits. So the students, when they come in that day, they're going to determine how much time they need to work on independent practice, how much time in digital content, and how much time are they going to need to collaborate together. So when I'm working through my outline for deploying the project, I'm always including a small group. Now on day two, we're going to really dive in more to with the skills that they need in order to be successful. That means I'm going to reteach some of the standards that align to the project. So my small group that day is going to be 10 minutes. Again, they start out by determining how much time they're going to spend in each one of those different areas and then keep track of any notes. Day three, we're going to meet with the teacher. I'm going to call them back and we're going to do a data meeting. So that time might be varied based on how long it takes to get through that data meeting. And again, small group, making sure we have that project data meeting just one more time, and or I can do a skills with them, depending if they need more standard-based help to help them to progress with their project. Project checklists are just a really good way to enhance that learning and to keep the students accountable throughout the whole thing. And going to a small group, working on independent research, taking time to watch videos to help them with aspects of their project, and then of course, a big chunk of the time is going in and working on that project. All right, go ahead, jump into Canva, look for my project-based checklist, and give it a try.